Guys, next up is this beautiful Ganesha neck piece. It's basically the Indian lord of gay lord, as we call him fondly. He is basically an Indian deity that removes all the obstacles in your life. And whenever we start any new work, any new endeavor, we always start by worshiping this god, because he is apparently the one who will bestow on you all the wonderful things, and he'll make sure that any endeavor that you uptake, you'll never face any obstacles. So I have this beautiful German silver pendant. It's almost 3 inches, and it has Ganesha detailing in it, and that's a gorgeous pendant if you can see it closely over here. I decided to, because the pendant had shades of orange and yellow in it, I decided to couple it up with these beautiful tetrahedrons. These are natural gemstones, guys, and look at the beauty of these volcanic rocks. And the shape is one of my absolute favorite. These are called as tetrahedrons, and I couple them up just to give a little sparkle and sheen to this neck piece with some silver accents, just because this pendant has silver in it. So I use some silver accents as spacers, some cylindrical silver accents, as well as some circular ones. Each of the silver accent is unique and has a filigree design. So if you can see closely, these have beautiful filigree designs in it. This one right here has beautiful detailing in it. It's got some elephant detailing, as well as these circular ones have some beautiful filigree. And then of course the Swarovski balls just give the right amount of pop. The back side of it has a thread closure, so you can actually adjust the height of the necklace to how much ever high or low you want. They have been coupled with this beautiful Ganesha earrings. These are danglers, and they look really pretty, and they're inlaid in a silver casket. So this necklace can be worn on any kind of outfit, traditional or Indian or Western, any kind of fusion outfit, and it'll never cease to amaze you. And it's priced at $85 only. Every single stone is a natural gemstone that has been used in it. The detailings are impeccable. It's got a sun paisley detail surrounding the Ganesha motif for $85 on sale on my summer specials. It's a gorgeous neck piece. So if anybody likes it, just let me know. Message me or call me or WhatsApp me or text me on my number or my Facebook or Instagram account, and you can order. Each of these pieces are single pieces, single designs. I don't repeat any of my designs. And this one is one of my absolute favorite just because of the shape of the stones. Only for $85 today, this beauty. Look at the beauty that we have here today. This is an absolute gorgeous, stunning fusion neck piece. There's just so many elements going on over here that I'm just so excited to even I don't know where to begin from to start telling you about it. For starters, the pendant is a gorgeous 5.5 inches long and about 3 to 4 inches wide. So right there you have your statement factor. It's bold, it's beautiful, it's a great mishmash of colors, and there's plenty going on over here. So, you know, for starters, we have all this kundan and meenakari detailing in a shape of a teardrop. There is a Mona Lisa stone placed very strategically. I have this beautiful floral leaf and flower detailing in metal. By the way, all of my jewelry is made out of pure brass. It is hypoallergenic. There is no nickel or lead elements whatsoever. I am completely opposed to using those. So everything is brass based, hand brushed, hand coated, handcrafted. So it's safe for use. There's some polki detailing over here, some coral, as well as other semi-precious stone inlays. I don't know what the name of this stone is. It looks like a garnet, but I'm really not sure about it. To finish up this pendant, I have this really cute Swarovski Jhumar drop. finished up with a cylindrical agate. The stringing has been inspired from the colors in the pendant. So we have focused on green and pink to be the central theme of the stringing, and then that's how I created the stringing. These are agate stones in a beautiful shade of pink and a very, very light aventurine green, accentuated by some cute little Swarovski embellishments. As you can see, these are my favorites. They really jazz up a simple neck piece. Along with that, you have these really, really cute earrings which have a leaf motif detailing with some green semi-precious stone accents. They look really smart if you wear them by themselves on a cute little outfit, or you can couple it for a heavier look. So you can go as trendy, as casual, as dressy as you want with this neck piece. It has a chain over here with about 2 inches of extension, so you can actually change your height as per the requirement. You can make it shorter or longer. So here is the golden brushed chain extensions, and this neck piece is on sale right now. It was $110, guys, but it's there for $95 just for this summer. So that is $95 for this gorgeous, trendy fusion neck piece. If anybody's interested, hit me up with your queries. And that's my information right there. Turquoise Touch by Poonam. And I'll keep bringing to you wonderful pieces just like this every day, every week. And I hope you get what you're looking for. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay smiling.